Good day everyone, I am John Stuart Reggie Benson and I will tackle about the topic matrix operation, addition, subtraction, and multiplication. So first of all, what is matrix? So matrices are tabular arrays of numbers arranged in rows and columns. So for example of that, we have this bar 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's called the matrices. It is a triangular array, and this is called the array or the set of numbers. So next. So in this topic, we need to have our objectives and learning outcomes to explain the concept of matrix, addition, subtraction, and multiplication. Second is to apply the rules of each operation through solved example. So later on, I will give you some example to explain the concept of addition, subtraction, and multiplication of matrices. And lastly, to understand the significance and applications of matrix operation in real-life problems. So dito naman malalaman ano ba talaga ang matrices in our real-life situation, paano natin siya i-apply. So, why are operations such as addition, subtraction, and multiplication important in using matrices to solve problems? So, bakit nga ba? Matrices operations such as addition, subtraction, and multiplication are important because they allow us to manipulate and combine data systematically, making it possible to solve complex problems in mathematics, science, engineering, and other fields. So, hindi na pala sa math natin ito ma-apply din pala natin ito sa mga science, engineering, and other fields. So, first of all, we have this matrix in addition. So, what is a matrix addition? It is the process of combining two matrices of the same order or same number of rows and columns by adding their corresponding elements. So, the rule for that is that two matrices can be added only if they have the same order. So, for example, we have this an array of 1, 2, 3, and 4, and we plus it into 5, 6, 7, and 8. So, this array will be represent as A, and this array will be B. So, we need to find the A plus B because our topic is about addition. So, we need to add both of these in same column and same row. So, we have 1 plus 5. The first column and second row is 3 plus 7, and so on and so on. 2 plus 6 and 4 plus 8. Two plus 6 and 4 plus 8. So we need just to add this all. We have 6, 10, 8, and 12. And all of that, the sum of the combined columns will be added. So we have 6, 10, 8, 12, we have 20, 30, 36. So our A plus B is equals to 36. So that's how we add the first array to the second, the set of A and the set of B. So next is the subtraction. Example for that is this. This is a 3 by 3 matrices which we have three rows and 3 columns and added to the same number of it. So we have 3 rows and 3 columns again. So we just add the first row into the second row and the first column into the second column. the matrix subtraction. What is matrix subtraction? It is similar to addition, but instead we subtract the corresponding elements of two matrices of the same order. So same as the addition, but now it will become minus or will be subtract. So all of these sign will be negative. So 1 minus 5, negative 4, negative 4, negative 4, negative 4, negative 4. So all of the answer will be negative 4, and we will of course minus the all of it. So we have 4, 8, 12, 16. So, ano naman siya? Even number, so negative 16 siya. We just need to add all of this. So, the answer will be A minus B is equals to negative 16. And the rule for that is the two matrices can be subtracted only if they have the same order. So, we have some example for that. The same example, but now we have this sign subtraction, or we just need to minus all of the number set of A into the set of B. So 1 minus 9, 2, so on and so forth. And lastly, the matrix multiplication. Matrix multiplication is different from addition and subtraction because it requires the number of columns of the first matrix to equal the number of rows of the second matrix. The result is a new matrix where each element is obtained by multiplying and summing across rows and columns. So in this process, mataas na siya. So because we need to multiply and add all of the given set. So we have this equation or the dot product. So if we have one by one, we have A, B, row A, and the column XY. So we just need to multiply A to X and B to Y. So parang horizontal times in vertical. So we have AX, and then we need to add the B and Y. So ang answer niya is the A times B. So kung na tayo times or multiply. So we have this 2 by 1. We have 2 rows, 2 columns by multiply by 1. And this is the 2 by 2. So we have AB, CD, 2W, X, Y, Z. So 2 by 2, we have 2 rows, 2 columns multiplied by the same itself. So we have this example. Example of 2 by 2, 2 by 2 times 2, 2 by 3. 2 by 3. 2 by 3 and 2 by 2. Ito, n is of dimension of 3 by 2 and n is of the dimension of 2 and 3. So first of that, we need to have this first column. If you can see, we have 2, 2, and 5. So we need just to put this in the first, and we'll multiply to the to the n, which is 5. So all of this, the column 1 times the first row and first column, which is 5. Next of that is the second column of n, which is 3, 1, and 3, 1, and 3. So we need to put this number, and we need to add this number and multiply by the next number, which is 2. So same column, m, first column of m times the first column of m plus the second column of m times the second row of the n. So we have this equation or solution. Next of that is the second column of n, which is 3, 1, and 3. So in the other column, we need to put it and we need to multiply it on the second column of n and second row of n. So we need to copy the 3 and add the 1, which is in the second row. So lastly, we have 2, 2, 5 and the 2, 2, 2, which is the last column of n. May isa pa. We need to multiply this first column by last column of n to the last column of n plus the last column of n to the last row and last column of n. So ito na magiging answer niya. 2 plus 5 times 2 times 5 plus 3 times 2 equals to 16. And so on and so forth. If we just calculate it. So the n times n is equals to, we have this 16, 12, 31, 9, 7, 18, 16, 8, and 22. And how to multiply 3 by 3 matrices. So we have this equation and formula. For formula, we have A and B. Like what I have said earlier, that we need to multiply the first column to the first row. And first column in first row, which is J. And second column of A to the second column, first column, second row of B, which is M. And third column of A to the last row of B, which is P. And so on and so forth. So mataas-taas tong isolve, guys. So just patient and just focus on the number na makikita nyo kasi nalilituan din to eh. So we need to focus and just see the number. So this is the example of 3 by 3 matrices. So di ba ang haba? Ito, first column times to the first row, first column, and the second column of it will be times to the first column, second row, which is 6, and 7 to the 3. Diyan na guys, taas na. So we have this, if we solve it properly, we will have this answer 27, 84, 128, 24, 65, 114, 18, 54, and 19. So any question in the group? So, if wala na, yun lang po. Thank you.